What's up guys? So ngayon guys is mag-share ako ng aking mga natutunan sa aming subject na Arts Appreciation. So, special thanks to Sir Marquez. Okay, so let's go! Hey guys, so ano bang itatakal ko ngayon? Ang itatakal ko na aking mga natutunan doon sa Arts Appreciation na subject ni Sir Marquez ay mga types ng mga arkitektura. So ano bang arkitektura? So merong 7 types ng arkitektura. Ano bang una? Ang una ay residential architect, pangalawa naman ay commercial architect, at ang pangatlo naman ay interior designer, pang-apat green design architect, pang-5 landscape architect, pang-6 urban designer, at ang panghuli at ang pang-7 ay industrial architect. So iisa-isahin natin yan sa pagtukoy. Okay? Una, residential architecture. Residential architecture are called domestic architecture also. Okay? Is the design and building of residential properties. These projects include multi-unit residential buildings, single-family homes, renovation, and remodels. Some residential architects are those self-employed. Okay? So ito ang mga example ng mga picture ng residential architect. Papakita ko sa inyo. Pangalawa, commercial architecture. So ano ba ang commercial architecture? Commercial architecture, a well-designed building is aesthetically pleasing as well as functional. And the functionality varies according to the type of space that is being designed. Okay. A successful design of a commercial or public building is highly dependent on a flowing and self-guiding circulation that is optimized the experience for the building users. For example, a well-designed shopping mall lets the buyers find their way and get what they need easily without getting lost or walking more than they should. Okay, that is the commercial architecture. Okay, so ngayon papakita ko sa inyo mga example ng mga larawan kung ano ba talagang itsura ng commercial architecture. Tatlo, interior designer. So ano ba ang interior designer? Interior designer, designing and styling the interior of an apartment, an office, or an restaurant require artistic sense and technical knowledge. Interior designers have a deep knowledge of materials, fabric, colors, and basic furniture design. Okay? Some artists prefer to work on the large scales and not to get involved with such detail, while others like the pioneer Frank Lloyd prefer to do the interior design for their own projects. That's all. So papakita ko naman sa inyo ang larawan ng or example ng ano ba ang itsura ng interior design. Apat. Okay. Green design architect. Okay. So ano ba ang green design architecture? Green design architecture, with the recent change in the climate and the remarkable decline in the non-renewable energy resources, the role of green design architect has become essential. Okay. Green design architects are responsible for making eco-friendly and energy efficient. Okay. Architectural designs. They continuously work on innovating effective green design methods that leave a minimal impact on the environment. Okay. So ngayon papakita ko naman sa inyo kung anong example rather, mga larawan ng green design architecture. Lima, landscape architecture. Okay. So ano ba ang landscape architecture? Landscape architecture is concerned with outdoor spaces like parks, gardens, neighborhoods, campuses, and public spaces. Okay. Landscape architects designs this space to be efficient, engaging, and harmonious with the environment. They decide the locations for buildings, walkways, greenery, and other hardscape elements accordingly. Landscape architects also choose the materials for the walkways and the types of trees and shrubs for the green areas, and so they need to have a background in the science of the urban horticulture rather. They should be aware of the suitable materials and plants for different climates and uses. So yun pala guys, ang landscape architect ay nagbabase, for example na lang, like oval plaza, mga plaza or merong mga bakante na space. Okay, so ngayon papakita ko naman ang mga larawan ng landscape architecture. Pang-anim. Ano bang pang-anim? Okay. So, ang pang-anim is urban design. Ano bang urban design? Urban design is a broad subject that employs other specialization like building, architecture, landscape design, and green design. Okay? It deals with the scales of neighborhoods, districts, cities. Urban designers are in charge of grouping buildings, designing nude paths, and street networks. So they give the city its shape and sense of order. They can design cities from scratch or develop existing ones. Urban designers additionally face a wider range of issues that have to do with the economy, politics, and culture. They also have to be in touch with the communities they serve, who are their actual clients. So, ngayon naman papakita ko naman sa inyo ang larawan ng urban design. So, ito na. Ang huli or pangpito. So, ano ba itong pangpito? Ang pangpito naman ay industrial architecture. So, ano ba itong industrial architecture? The architecture of an industrial facility can be vital to its functionality. They need a suitable envelope that aids the flow of the industrial process taking place inside. Okay? And that is what industrial architects specialize in. They fully understand the different industrial processes and accordingly design efficient and functional buildings that can hold them. So, yun ang industrial architecture at ang pinakauli. So, ito naman, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung anong itsura ng industrial architecture. So, ayun guys, maraming salamat sa inyong mga pakikinig at sa panonood. Okay, so ulitin, thank you.